Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So stock number one for today's session was Laurus Labs at 539 rupees. Yes, there was a breakout. Now I will go to 5 minutes chart to see the breakout level and the breakout candle right here 539 and bam till 554. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 3 targets hit. Here there is a bit mistake over here. I should have mentioned 551, but nonetheless a very good profit in Laurus Labs. Second stock was Marico at 551. I will go back to daily chart. Looking at the daily chart of Marico 554. Yes. Where was the breakout level? 551, 51.80, 553, 554. So 554, only one target hit. Third stock was Aurobindo Pharma at 676 rupees. Aurobindo. I have to go to daily chart. Yeah, there was a more than a decent bullish momentum. I will go back to 5 minute chart once again. 676. Where was the breakout level here? 679. Price came down all the way. So only 679. We have booked profit till that level only. So only one target is hit. Fourth and final stock was Raymond at 636 rupees. So Raymond, what happened in Raymond? I will go back to daily chart and see the candle. There was nowhere near momentum. Price gap down and there was hardly any chance of hitting the entry level, which means did not hit entry level. Stock number one for Monday session is Tata Motors. The breakout level is pretty clear on daily chart. After a gap up opening, price is trading almost at the same level. So usually when that happens, sellers will take note of a huge gap and they will try to fill it. So we are going to sell below 458 rupees and the target should be at 415. That's a sizable profit in intraday trading. Second stock is Finolex Cables. Pay attention to the cluster of candles with longish wick at top end, which means that there was decent amount of supply coming through at the level of 610 rupees. After that, sellers were really dominating. As you can see, they are taking the price lower and lower almost every single day. So now if we look at the next support level, I see the level of 500 as a major support level, but there is also a minor support level at 517 rupees, and that should be our target. So here, looking at daily chart, this could have been a very good bullish pattern to trade in Finolex cable. Third stock for Monday session is, and you are absolutely right, one more bearish breakout stock. So look at the price action right up to the breakout level. Here it is an ideal case of double top pattern. After that, price started to shrink, and this is the first time price came at the support level of 670 rupees. After that, an attempt made by buyers to take the price higher, but they could not take it very far, and once again sellers came at a higher level. So twice the price is testing the breakout level, and I'm really sorry, the support level is 630 rupees. So if in not tomorrow's session, Monday's session price does go below 625 rupees, we should see lot of sellers showing interest, and which can push the price towards a lower level of 600 rupees. Fourth and final stock is Hindalco Industries. Before marking the breakout level, I'm going to mark a support level which is at the round number of 400 rupees, and I have marked it. So here is the price action above the support level, and you can see price is slowly coming down almost every single day, and this is where it should meet with lot of profit booking. Currently the market price is 417 rupees. We will be selling below 415, and the profit or the ultimate target is around 400 rupees. These are the important levels that we should be trading in all the aforementioned stocks. I will be sharing a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel. And as I always reiterate in almost all my videos, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss. Do not rush or do not become greedy. It will only take you down. It will never take you higher. And that is where you want to go. So start slow and slowly build your confidence, and also you can start taking more risk. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.